Hi, Dr. Derek Mahoney here, just to let you know about a free CPD lecture that we've organised in conjunction with my paediatric respiratory physician, Dr. Jim Papadopoulos. This will be held in my rooms in the Harris Park region, and we'll be talking about how you can help your patients who suffer from paediatric sleep apnea and sleep disordered breathing problems. As you may be aware, there's a close correlation between these children's sleep-related problems and their behavior. There's a close correlation between their facial growth and development and their mouth breathing. So we'll be exploring all these topics. It's a great evening because we normally have 40 to 50 dentists who attend. You can catch up with colleagues. We give a 2-hour CPD certificate. The question and answer time is very good because we look at clinical cases. So if you have any you want to bring along, discuss with me as the orthodontist or Jim Papadopoulos as the sleep specialist, please let us know. But what I really need you to do is to contact Lacey and book a seat, because normally these programs sell out and then people are disappointed when they ring up on the night to say that we've got no room available. Plus we have to cater for this event, and in fairness to my team, we need some notice if you're attending or not so we can cater adequately. So I look forward to seeing you next Monday at my Harris Park practice to discuss the dentist's role in the diagnosis and treatment of children who have sleep disordered breathing problems.